Hey guys, welcome to my channel Device Man, and today we are going to see that these capsules how they will uh, degrade or they will mix with the warm water. So I took very hot water in a glass and let's pour this. And we will see in how much time, or let's say uh, what duration is required to get all these capsules mixed in water. So these capsules are like when we eat, it gets dissolved in our stomach. So I have to check it out, and to stir it, so you can see the capsules, they are made up of cellulose material, I think so, and it's easily get mixed, easily get dissolved in water. If you stir it, it will quickly get dissolved. However, you can see that it's a kind of a plastic formation which can generate in our stomach. So if the capsules are having the contents which are not harmful to our stomach, then it's very good. So like in 30 seconds the capsule start dissolving, and in 1 minute they get dissolved. However, you can see some particulates of these capsules which are there in this water. So there is no proper mixing, even though after stirring it the proper mixing is not there, but the majority of capsules has been get dissolved. So yes, this is experiment, just want to check it out what will happen if we are eating this kind of capsules. Are they are dissolving in our stomach or not? Our stomach contains acids, and which are very powerful compared to this hot water. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.